Video, let's see how to connect to Sanmar and import their product catalog into your Shopify store using the Supply Master app. To begin, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Supply Master app. On the Supply Master app's homepage, click on Add Supplier. Then, select Sanmar as the supplier type. On the Add Supplier page, give the supplier a name. We're just going to call it Sanmar. Next, we need to enter in our FTP username and password. If you do not have these details with you, please contact Sanmar to obtain them. Pick the US as the country you want to connect to, and click on Test Credentials. You can see that the test connection has been verified, and that you've connected successfully. Next, navigate to the Inventory Settings tab, and set up supplier inventory as shown. This will import supplier inventory to the Shopify location you've chosen. Click Next, and move to the Product Settings tab. Here you can choose to publish the products you import to your online store. We can now click on Save Supplier. With that, the supplier is saved, and we can click on View and Import Products. On this page, we will filter and select the products we want to import from Sanmar to Shopify. The standard setup comes with some default filters, which can be changed to import exactly the products we need. For example, if we only want to import a few styles, we can do that by changing the filter to be based on style number. Next, we can change the operator to equal to any and add in a list of style numbers, which we'd like to import. Once done, we can click on Save Filters. As you can see, we now have 18 products and 146 variants selected for import. To begin import, we can click on Import Products. The import will now run, and the product data, titles, descriptions, images, prices, and inventory will be imported into the store. Head over to the Products page to view the products that were just imported from Sanmar. As you can see, all the style numbers have been imported. We can click on any product to verify that all product details, including title, description, images, color and size options, pricing, and inventory levels, are correctly set up. Finally, we can preview products to check that they are live and visible to customers. With these steps, you have successfully launched Sanmar's catalog on your Shopify store. This process can be used to import thousands of products and keep your store updated with accurate pricing, inventory, and new product releases.